Welcome to this straightforward tutorial on customizing your header in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly and easily modify the header of your website using WordPress's built-in site editor. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you arrive at the site, take a moment to locate the login feature, which can be found at the top right corner of the page. After you click on the login area, a sign-in option appears that offers different methods to access your account. To make the process efficient, select the option to continue with your Google account. When you do this, a list of your associated Google accounts will show up. Choose the account you prefer, and you will then be granted access to your WordPress dashboard. This method of logging in not only speeds up the process, but also ensures a secure connection for editing your website. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section on your dashboard. In this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking this takes you directly to the site editor interface, a powerful tool that allows for various customizations across your entire site. Now that you have entered the site editor, focus on the header section. The header is the most visible part of your website and plays a crucial role in making a strong first impression on your visitors. By clicking on the header area in the editor, you can unlock a range of customization options. This interface is designed to be intuitive, enabling you to see real-time changes as you work on your header. Once you click on your header, the system presents an option to edit. Selecting Edit confirms that you are ready to make modifications. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust elements such as layout, font style, and color palette. The user interface is structured so that each change you make is reflected immediately on your screen, allowing you to experiment with different looks until you find the perfect design. At this stage, take your time to customize your header according to your aesthetic and branding needs. Feel free to modify aspects like spacing, text alignment, and even background choices if the tool provides those options. The live preview feature is particularly useful, as it lets you see the impact of each adjustment as you proceed. This way you can ensure that your header aligns with your overall website design before finalizing any changes. When you are completely satisfied with your customized header, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save option within the site editor and click it. Saving your edits ensures that all changes are securely recorded and that your website will now display your updated header design. This simple act of saving is essential as it locks in your creative choices and prevents any accidental loss of progress. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated through the process of customizing your site's header in WordPress. Enjoy the satisfaction of seeing your personalized header come to life and feel confident in exploring additional customization features at your own pace. WordPress is designed to provide an intuitive experience for website owners, making it simple to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your site. Enjoy your newly refreshed header, and thank you for taking the time to learn how to enhance your website's design.